let's see this female goat with two little baby. Let's see if I go home. And home is over there, and two cute little baby. And mommy want to go home. The baby go up there. Yeah, I catch her and in her. Yeah, get it out. And yes. Also those three. She also want to go home. Let's see. The big female, the red one. The red one is the head of a goat. Wow. The male get in and say, "Don't go home. Don't go home. Get in." Yes. This male goat is very good. He's a goat man. Yeah. As he is the goat man. Wow. He's the bigger one in the herd. Let's see. It's the black one. The black one is the it's smaller than that. And those few goat, they want to go home. And wow, this is the big female. Okay, she's pregnant. Maybe there's two baby inside. You know, the way she's walking. See? Okay.